Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to undo in Pixlr if you have made a mistake. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Pixlr website right here, pixlr.com if you haven't already, and after opening up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where we can get started with logging into your account. So in the upper right corner, you can get started with logging in. If you do not already have an account, just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where we can get started with opening up the photo editor. So let's go ahead and open up the photo editor right here, and now we can get started with opening up our images that we want to edit and to show you how to undo if you made a mistake. So I'm going to open up this image right here, and as you can see, now I have my image, and now let's say I want to go ahead and add an effect, or I want to cut out something and similar. So let's say I'm using the AI color right here, and now I have added an effect, but I did not want to keep it like this. I want to undo. All we have to, you guys, to undo our mistake is just look right here at the bottom under the picture. There is going to be an undo and redo option. So if you want to remove the mistake, you can click undo, and if you want to bring it back, you can click redo, and so on if you want to fix your mistakes. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.